For today's behind the scenes video at Surfboards.com, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Rip Curl sandal, and it's going to James in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for your order, James. If you'd like to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, we'd be glad to do it. All you have to do is respond to your order confirmation email. So James, your Rip Curl sandals are in bin B5 G7A. That's the B side of the warehouse. That's row 5. We're in shelving unit G, row 7, box A. So that's back here. G7A, B5, G7A. So it should be in here. 308. I know that that's what the Rip Curl sandals look like, but that's the wrong size. That's the wrong one. Sorry. Faked you out. It's not jumping out at me here, James. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not so easy. That's it. We had a couple different types of Rip Curl sandals in the same box, which makes it a little bit harder. I'm going to double check my pick like we do with all picks, and we do that by checking the UPC on the specific item. Green means good, I got the right item. If I had the wrong item, it'd be red. Scanning the barcode tells the computer what order we're dealing with. I hit a button to get a weight and ask the computer to suggest a shipping service. It wants to use the postal service in this case, so we'll go ahead and approve that. And while it's printing the shipping label, I'll finish up packing your order here, James. And we'll cut there because the printer got jammed. Thank you.